Okay guys, so I wanted to let you know how to turn in my assignments because there seems to be some confusion. So this is an example of one that's my 10th grade lit. So it says, read the poem once by yourself and then read it again with the video playing. At the end of the video, I ask you to write something, write it in the comments, be creative. So this down here is what I mean by comments, all right? This is it. So you would go through, you'd read it, then you'd watch it, you'd do a comment. So over here, if I have like a Google Doc that you need to do, it should show here. But for a lot of these, like I said, I've asked you a question, I want you to put your answer in the comments. So when you're done, you would mark it as done. And said you didn't attach work, so your teacher will just see that it's done. And you can still mark that it's done. You don't have to create something. Again, guys, you just have to communicate with me if you're having any issues, and that's how you have to do it. And I will try and go through and make sure that everything looks correct on the student view. Also, just FYI, for these where you have to watch them, I can definitely go to the YouTube dashboard and see who is watching the videos and see how long they're watching. So if I have someone respond like, yes, I have watched everything, and then I go to the YouTube and I see, oh, that was an 8-minute video and the person watched it for 42 seconds, like that doesn't count. Like I can tell with that. So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. When I say put stuff in the comments, I literally mean here in the comments. And then you can just mark stuff as done unless I have assigned something specifically that you're supposed to do. All right? Cool.